The other day, I had a client come to my office, and one of the things they said to me really struck me. They said, I never thought I'd be getting a divorce. And that is so true. When spouses marry, they think this is going to be forever. This is going to be it. I'm not going to be in a situation where I'm going to be getting divorced. Unfortunately, it's still about 50% of couples that do end in a divorce. What you need to think about when you get married is what can I do to make sure I'm not in a position where I'm completely lost in the event that this marriage doesn't survive. What I thought about is that it's important for spouses to look at what would they do financially? How are they going to be able to support themselves in the event of something were to happen, if the marriage were to unsurvive? Just like you plan for the unfortunate death of a spouse, you get life insurance, you plan and make sure that there's wills in place. You should also think about how am I going to plan for what if my spouse leaves me and then I'm in a financial rut. I don't have a suggestion that is going to say this is the magic pill because I don't know that there is one, and each case is different. I think in many couples' cases, it's important for you to know what is the financial picture of your marriage. What do you have available in cash? What are the expenses for the month for you to be able to maintain a household, to pay the mortgage or rent, to pay for the car, to pay for food, all those other things? So at least you have some idea of what you're going to need in the event that your spouse is no longer there. It's also important to communicate with your spouse. Plan for not necessarily a divorce, but plan for your futures. Plan for what's going to happen when we retire, what's going to happen when the kids go to college. By having those plans in place, you may be in a better position in the unfortunate event of a divorce. And if you don't divorce, you're certainly going to be in a better position when those events occur, that you're going to have the resources or at least the plan in place of how you're going to address those. I don't want to be pessimistic. I never hope that people get divorced, but I think that we need to be realistic that it is a possibility and that you don't want to be completely put in a place of shock and not knowing what you're going to do next. If you have questions about that, you can reach me. I'm Melissa Fekak with South Jersey Divorce Solutions, and we can certainly assist you. My information will follow after this video, and I wish you all the best.